The secure seatbelt alarm is used with a wheelchair. It comes with a seatbelt alarm, and a seatbelt holder. You begin by placing the seatbelt alarm inside the holder. Velcro closed, and place the alarm somewhere that's accessible for the caregiver, but out of reach for the patient. Next, for the seatbelt installation, begin by taking the screws out from each side of the seat back. Place the seatbelt on the seat of the wheelchair and slide right and left ends of the strap between the seat back and frame. Take the screws from the wheelchair and insert through the grommets on the seatbelt straps and reattach screws to the wheelchair. Once the seatbelt is installed, you may begin using it. Begin by opening the seatbelt by pulling on the orange loop. Carefully assist the user into the chair. Close the seatbelt around the user's waist. Next, find the metal pin at the end of the cord coming out of the seatbelt and place into the opening of the alarm. If you have excess cord, please make sure to zip tie it. The seatbelt alarm is now ready to test. The alarm must be tested prior to every use. Pull the orange quick release loop, and once completely open, the alarm should sound. Close the seatbelt around the user's waist and you are ready to go on your way. For more information or to place an order for seatbelt alarms, please visit seekwellness.com.